Hello guys, welcome to our channel Life Reviewed. This is Deb, and today we will be doing a sound test and review of Edifier R1280T. We recently did an unboxing of this speaker. If you haven't checked it out, I'll put a link of that on top of this video. Do check that out. So coming to this unit, these are bookshelf speakers. This cost around 7,900. This is made of manufactured wood. By the look of it, you can see that it looks like wood, but this is manufactured wood and it is covered by vinyl, the finishing that you are seeing, that is. So you can see on the side of that side of this speaker we have three controls. This is the bass, treble and the volume, and we have a tiny LED indicator. So you have very granular control of a music. Going to the back of that, this has a very retro connections. This has two RCA connections. You can connect two devices in this. You can use one for your computer connection, and another one at the same time you can connect your mobile to that. So like you see in the old speakers, this is an RCA to AUX 3.5 mm jack connection, and we have this connection on the side. With this you can connect the left speaker, that is the passive speaker, and all the wires are given with that. You just need to read the manual and connect it properly. Below that we have the power switch, and that's it on the back side. Very minimalist and very easy to configure. Coming to the front of that, this is the active unit. I have just removed the front cloth panel to give you a better view. So on the top you see a 13 mm silk dome tweeters. This one is the silk dome tweeters, and below that we have a 4-inch bass driver, and this is a port for the air displacement for the bass to sound better. And this is the IR receiver for the remote control. This is only present in this speaker, the active speaker. So this coming to the remote, this is the remote, and very minimalist. We have three buttons here: the mute button and the volume up and down button, as you see. Very minimalist. And let us go ahead and do a sound test of this so you can get an understanding of that. So first we'll be doing a bass test. So guys, that was the bass test, and to give you a better idea, we'll be playing another song to get the full range of this. So as you can hear, this has very deep bass, very good highs, very good mids, and very understandable lows. The sound clarity is just mind-blowing. One of the best I have heard in this sound range. If your budget is below 10, I would definitely recommend you to go with this. This does not have Bluetooth. If you want a Bluetooth, there is a Bluetooth version of this that will cost around 12,000 to 14,000. So do let me know what you thought of this review, what you thought of this sound. Put in the comments if you want to know anything else about this video, and I hope you liked this. Subscribe if you did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, do check out one of our latest videos here. Bye.